Hi guys, it's me, Sophie from Sophie-World.com. For a little while now, I have been putting up these little 1-minute videos that I call Boredom Busters. And my team thought it would be a great idea to just put them all together and put them out there in one little group, and we call them 5 minutes of fun. So here you go, 5 minutes of fun. Today's Boredom Buster is called Socky Sack. And you take a pair of rolled up socks and turn them into a hacky sack. Super fun. All you need is your socks, and you take a pair and you just put them together. It works for long socks and short socks. And just roll them from the toe up to the ankle part. When you get to the ankle part, you're going to just flip one side of the ankle over the other, right? And that makes your basic shape. And then you're going to just need to tuck that in on the other side and roll it around a little bit, and that's going to give you a ball, and then you can start playing Socky Sack. So if you're finding that things are making you a little bit crazy and you need a little bit of a release, what I like to do is I find a mirror, get all by myself, and then I just, that's right, I scream without using my vocal cords. I just put all of that into my body, as emotional and physical as I possibly can do, and I just, and by looking in a mirror, I usually find that by the end of it, I'm starting to crack up, and that is just a cathartic release. So if you're like me and you're feeling a little tense about everything that's going on in the world, why don't you try this silent scream? When I was a little girl, there was a guy who did the most amazing mouth music. He would take his hands and lightly slap his cheeks, and just by changing the shape of his mouth, he would make this amazing music. So I thought, hey, that would be a fun boredom buster. You can play hours trying to figure out how to make good sounds with your mouth. So anyway, what he would do is basically he would make his mouth like an O, and then he'd just kind of do this light tapping, slapping of his cheeks. So it was something like this. You get the idea. So play with that and see if you can make some beautiful mouth music. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a book and you put it on your head. You try to balance it on your head, just like they used to make models do, to make them stand nice and tall. And then you can do a series of things. You can walk, you can lift a leg and balance, you can see if you can add a second book, you can even add a third book, and you can see how you can have a lot of fun just practicing with your balance. Today's Boredom Buster was actually inspired by my good friend Patty, who lives in Florida. And she said, Sophie, what about challenging everybody to draw with something other than their hands? So yes, of course, you could use your feet, but I'm going to try using my mouth. And so I've got my pen, and I'm going to make sure that I don't hurt my teeth, of course, but I'm going to give it a try. Here we go. There you go. A drawing using something other than my hands. And what you do is you take a pen or a pencil, doesn't matter, something nice and thin, and you put it between your nose and your lip, and you try to make it into a mustache. Okay, wait, here we go. All right. You try to keep it there as long as you possibly can. This is great if you got somebody else to be like contesting against. You know, they've got theirs, you've got theirs. Whoever drops it first, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, best out of 7, whatever you want to do. Yes, I do have a fish on my head. I'm running out of hats, if you haven't noticed, and this hair. Anyway, so this is your daily Boredom Buster for Thursday, and it's called Fish Face. And all you do is look in the mirror and make fish faces. You ready? Here we go. Okay, that's one fish face, but here's another. So you make fish face to go with my fish head. That's right. And you can sing the song Fish Heads if you know it. Thank you so much for watching, and know that my wish for you is that you stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative.